Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, VETRI meaning victory, innovative investment strategies. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is December 23, 2022, Friday weekend, as you all aware. First, BankNifty closed 1.75%, 41,668.10, while Nifty closed 17,806.70, 1.77%. So, what happened? What is the comment that we gave yesterday's video? Of course, we could upload only this morning because of the video got very late. Those who have seen the video will be able to appreciate it. This morning before the market opened, we uploaded it. So what we have said is Bank Nifty and Nifty is below the Bollinger lower band and sliding down nicely. So what it means? So the Bollinger lower band keeps going down and the price also slides down nicely. That means till there is a solid reversal happening, the market will trend down. So that is point number one that everybody has to be aware. Number two, yesterday's video, the caption that I given, it is at broken key support levels. What are the key support levels? Nifty yesterday broke 50-day moving average. Today, Bank Nifty opened the gap down below the 50-day moving average. So, which is a very important support, which many of the technical analysts, people will know that. So, after breaking that, there is no, reprieve for markets to go up. Every rise that it happened, a small rise, immediately there was selling pressure. So, it is actually a sell on rally. Why? What had happened? What it turned to the markets? Just few days back, in the first week of December, December 1st, Nifty touched the high of 18,812 and Bank Nifty few days later, it touched the high. Then thereafter, what happened? So, it is very simple logic because the market could not sustain at such a higher level. And if you recollect my videos in the first week of December, I was saying that in the daily chart, it was drifting sideways and with a downward bias. That is what had happened, after which it broke down. Now in the weekly it is drifting down and in the week also it is below the Nifty in particular, below the 10-week exponential moving average. All these things points out that market is in a downtrend, significant downtrend. In fact, it has Nifty is in the weekly chart touching the Bollinger lower band, middle band or just slightly below the Bollinger middle band. So we expect further downfall in the coming days. However, there will be a short covering rally that can happen either Monday or Tuesday. Most likely it should happen on Monday. That's what we feel. But whatever it happens, it will be sold till we see a reversal. I mean, people will come and say, you told. No, I am saying that till we see a reversal. If a solid reversal happens in the daily chart, that will translate into summing up a reversal in the weekly chart and then in the monthly chart. Till that happens in the next few days. Next 5 trading sessions only we have in this month and 4 days for option expiry. If that doesn't happen, one can expect a significant fall in the markets. At least in the month of January, particularly second half. Probably first half you might see some rise. But there again, it has to stay above the exponential moving average. See, if you recollect, Nifty and Bank Nifty has been in above the 10 exponential moving average for many days. In fact, many weeks I would say. Continuously in the daily chart, it was above the exponential moving average. What it means? That means market had a strength. Every time it was coming near the exponential moving average, there was buying interest, it was propelling up. So same way, now I feel that if a selling pressure happens that way, then we will keep going down lower and lower. Hence, investors have to be cautious. Traders, be extremely cautious and learn technical analysis. God's sake, whoever is a very good technical analyst you feel, or if you yourself are a technical analyst, put efforts and time to understand technical analysis thoroughly in detail. You should be what you call an expert in that. Otherwise, it's very difficult market to trade. I hear people saying that difficult to trade, I lost money and nothing. It is very easy. Today, in fact, the ranges that you had given, it is within the range. Today also we'll be able to give a range. Okay, support and resistance level. With this background, let's go analyze how the markets perform. Today, anything that fell 1% is an exception, and anything that was staying neutral was a super performance. Anything that closed 1% up or so is a fantastic stock only for today, yesterday. Okay, so we had in the banking, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI and Kotak fell 1%, Bandhan Bank fell 2%, IndusInd and SBI fell 3%, AU and Federal fell 4%. IDFC first 6% down, Yes Bank fell 7%. So if you see, everything fell. Axis also fell, HDFC fell, IndusInd fell. Why? Because it is very simple. It cannot close about 1242. We had said in one of the videos. So why many times you are told? Because the current year's high is higher than previous high, current year's low is lower than previous year's low, hence it has to close below the high. Simple. Financials, HDFC fell 1%, Bajaj Finance and Chola 2% down, Bajaj Finserv, M&M and Shriram 3% down, LIC Housing Finance and Muthoot 4% down, L&T Finance and Manappuram 5% down, IDFC 6% down. So overall financials, if you recollect Bajaj Finance, you have been telling, people were saying, oh, it's a great stock, fantastic stock, your portfolio, all those things are fine. Nobody is denying it. But technically, it is weak. So I had cautioned people. So those who have seen my video and taken advantage of it, God is with them. Those who have ignored, I cannot say anything more than that. Insurance and cards, ICICI General and SBI Life fell 1%, HDFC Life, ICICI Pru fell 2%, LIC had a massive fall of 3%. As you recollect, one day wonder was LIC, it jumped up by 5% or so on one day, thereafter more or less gave all the gains that it did on that date. Oil and telecom, Bharti fell 1%, Reliance 3% down. Bharti we have been telling time and again, because the 873 high, it cannot cross it in this month. IT, Infi, HCL fell 1% along with TCS and Intellect, 2% down in LTIM and Techem, 3% down in Manappuram and Wipro, Affle and Coforge fell 4%, Birlasoft 5% down, LTTS 6% down. See, all the IT stocks I have been telling, IT stocks, it was trying to go up, but this month gave up all the up move it did, and in the monthly chart, now it is below the Bollinger middle band. So what it means? That means it has to once again struggle in 2023 before we can see meaningful up move in the IT stock. That means 2024 only we can see real rate of returns coming in the IT stocks if one were to invest now. At least technically it is how it is. Next month we can see, next month or February we can see another big fall coming in the IT stocks, hence one has to be cautious. Consumer goods, Asian Paints and Bata along with Colpal, DMart, HUL, Nestle and Page fell 1%. ABFRL, ITC and Pidilite 2% down, Berger and Trent 3% down, PVR 5% down. So PVR now people have to be cautious in 2023 because this year whatever it was holding, it was because of technical levels in the yearly chart. Hence, we expect fall in 2023. One has to be cautious with PVR. Automobiles, Bajaj Auto and M&M 1% down, Bharat 4, Eicher and Maruti 2% down, Ashok Leyland, Escorts, Motherson and TVS 3% down, Tata Motors 4% down. Tata Motors, Maruti, you all know my views. Those who have seen my videos, I have been telling it is weak. 1 month. We have been telling for more than 1.5 months. It will fall. Metals, JSW 1% down, Coal and Jindal 3% down, NMDC 4% down, 5% down we saw in Hindalco, National Aluminium, SAIL, Vedanta and Tata Steel. Jindal Steel I have been telling, all the metal stocks I am telling. Again I repeat, 2023 metals, there won't be any shining in these metal stocks. So please be careful. Probably metal stocks might go up, China might open up, all those things will happen, but I don't see technically up move available in these metal stocks. Health and Pharma, Dr. Reddy, Lalpath, Metropolis and Sun Pharma 1% down, Apollo Hospital 2% down, For a change, Cipla and Divis was flat. This was one of the few stocks that remained flat. The only exception is Thyrocat. Today it jumped up by 1%. But again, as I said yesterday, all these testing companies and other things, you have to be testing labs and other things. Be careful, because corona we are used to it. So just because corona, it was a one day wonder, it jumped 15% day for yesterday. Yesterday it gave up most of the gains, and today it gained. So more or less we are where we were. Hence, no, don't just blindly go for these companies just because corona is spreading. Others, Ultratech 1% down, L&T, APL, Apollo, Aries, MCX, UPL and Zomato 2% down, Havels and Indigo 3% down, Polycab, Godrej Properties, Jubilant Food and Nykaa 4% down, DLF, IndiaMart, IRCTC 5% down, Adani Enterprise and IEX 6% down, Adani Ports and Delta Corp 7% down. So overall, it's as you see, every sector, every stock, mid cap, large cap, IT, banking, financials, automobiles, metals, everything fell. So there can be a technical bounce back that can happen next week, particularly Monday or Tuesday, because Monday global markets are not working. US, UK market are not working, and most of the Asian managers, Singapore, Hong Kong, there will be very thin staff, they will be available. Even I think Hong Kong is holiday. So mostly all these things, markets will be closed, hence the volumes will be very thin and we won't see much of movement, but there can be a short covering rally. Now, what Nifty can do? Nifty now, once again, if you recollect, July, August, June, July, August, September, up to that we have been saying that two levels we have been telling, 17,354.10 and 17,464.25 or something levels. What is this numbers? This is not magic number, and again I am not giving any recommendations. It is just the levels one to watch. What is this level? 17,464 is financial year 21-22 close, that is March 31, 2022 close. Hence that will act as a first level of defense and support for Nifty. If that is broken down in the next 4 days, again this is only for the next 4 days, the next crucial level that will be acting as support is 17,354.10, which you have been telling for quite some time. What is this level? Nothing but 2021 calendar year close. Hence the current year's high has taken out the previous year's high. Hence I don't expect it to close below last year's close. Okay, if that happens, it would have formed a bearish bar reversal. If that happens, forget about Nifty next year. Even if it happens, if it closes above, still there are chances that next year you might not get good returns. Anyway, we will see that later, but this is how it is going to. Hence 17,354.10 is one level. I will be closely watching at the support for Nifty. On the case of BankNifty, I will be watching as a support 4320.16. This is nothing but November month low, slightly below that low, around 200 points below that low. So that is where I will watch it as a support. Whereas on the resistance, it is very simple. The previous week's high is going to act as a resistance, because it cannot take out that levels, at least in this week, unless otherwise something dramatic happens across the world positive. So positive dramatic news doesn't happen. No, negative news comes easily and swiftly. So Bank Nifty 43,614.60, that is previous week's high. So it will not cross above that. That will act as a resistance. And 18,473.30 on the Nifty, that will act as a resistance, because that is last week's close. So I am saying in Twitter and other thing, many people say no, market fell suddenly and all those things. I always say only one thing. See, it's a simple human psychology and a simple psychology. If one were to climb the stairs, it will take more time, more pressure, energy will lose. Whereas getting down a stair is easy. Same logic. Market going up will take a lot of time. Bulls will take months to take it up. Bears will pull down the market in 4-5 days. That is human behavior and psychology. Thank you very much.